What's up guys? So today we're gonna be doing a very cheap mod, and by the title of the video you guys already know what it is, sound generator delete. And for you guys that don't know what that is this tube right here, this extra tube here that goes all the way down into the firewall and gives engine noises into the cabin. And I do not want that anymore. It is annoying to me, like really annoying, especially when I'm on the highway and I'm gunning it. That noise isn't nice at all. I'd rather listen to exhaust noises than that. So yeah, and it's very cheap. And here is what we're gonna be using to delete that. Oh, I forgot I have it over here. And it's a very simple mod and a very cheap mod. So you're gonna need a 1.5 inch pipe cap, okay, and a 3/4 plug. And it's super cheap to do this mod. I mean, ridiculous cheap. If you don't believe me, here's how much I paid just for these two things. $304. Super cheap mod. And I bought mine at Lowe's. So I don't know if you guys have a Lowe's by you. So I feel like it'll give the engine bay a better look as well, because we're not gonna have this big ass pipe and this big ass thing in the way anymore, and it'll make it look a lot cleaner. And the only tools you will need is a 10 mil and a flathead screwdriver. And that's about it, and it's super easy and simple to do. So, and this is what we're gonna be taking off basically. This, with the flathead, there are 2 bolts, one right here and one on the other side, which is right here. And then this hose connected right there onto the frame of the car. Just pull that out and then it goes into the firewall, and then you push that out from inside, and I'll show you guys in a bit once I get this out. Okay. There goes that. And the other bolts. See, they have washers, so just be careful with them. Okay, and then just put the bolts aside. And then you want to take this out, just a piece of cardboard, you know, just in case for some reason this shit gets sucked in here. I'm pretty sure you don't want that, so just make sure to take that out. You can take the original one and save it, and then put this one in. And it should like pop in. You'll hear a couple pops. That's when you know it's in there. Time it up. Put this aside. Okay, so let me show you guys. So took that out, put the cap, took the bolts out, down two. Now once you have all that out, here is the hose, and if you see down there, let me show you guys that right there. You're just gonna pop it up, and then we'll go inside and I'll show you where to push the hose out. Alright, so took off my mat, my WeatherTech mat, and then so this is the carpet, and then it's in here. Let me show you. Let me see if I can show you guys well. You guys see this plug right there? That black plug. Damn it, it's not focusing again. But yeah, that black plug, you just take that out. You're gonna take that out and it's gonna look like this after you take it out. And then you're gonna have this empty space that's the last of the hose, and you push that out. Okay, for this one right here, the one that's attached right here, there's like a clip in the back horizontally. I mean vertically. Yeah, vertically. And they're these, so in case, so you guys won't bend this bracket, they are these, and you just, from the back, you just push it in. See that? And you guys just push these two in and they'll come out easily, so you guys won't bend this right here. Okay, so that is it. We should be able to take this out. Oh snap, is in the fall. And there is your sound generator delete. Put this down. Looks a lot better. Looks a lot better. A lot cleaner without that. Oh, and I almost forgot. Need to put this plug in where we took out the old one. Can't really show you guys much in there because it's a weird angle, but I will try. Put the carpet down. There's the hole, and we're just gonna put that in. Give it a push. Alright, for everyone that's doing this, this is a helpful tip. when you are putting in this plug, it's at first you're gonna be like, oh, why isn't it fitting? No, it does fit. It actually does fit. You just have to push it in there, like wiggle it around, you know, and then push it in there, and it should sit in perfectly like that, just like that. So let me get out of here. Oh God. So yeah, there you go. That's the sound generator delay. Hopefully when I hit the highway, I won't be hearing that annoying noise. And I really like how much better my engine bay looks without that extra plastic hose going around there. Looks so good. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna be shooting another install next week, so stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.